Well guys, I started off today thinking I was going to fix the brakes on my truck, but got a little girl outside that wants to ride her bicycle, and as you can see here, that something's just not right with that picture, is it? It's a little bent up. And you talk about pain in the ass to fix. These things are a pain in the ass to get out. But if you ever do happen to have to take one out, you'll see there's a nut. Let's see, that nut was there. Then that washer was on this side. And then this guy right here was facing in just like this into the housing. And in order to get that out, first you have to remove that nut, that washer, and then this. And you use a screwdriver, and I believe it went clockwise. It's got reverse threads on it. But that's what I'm doing right now. Trying to fix the bike. So we'll get back to the brakes in a little while. And also, yeah, I gotta put some fluid in that jack. Check you later. Alright. One noise, it's impressive. I'm going to try to straighten this biatch out. One part's going to be fixing the crank. It's bent really bad. Yeah, I don't know. It's hard to tell, but it's a lot straighter than it was. Yeah, I see a big old bend right there. It's gotta come out. Holy balls. I may have to use heat on that. I don't even think it budged hardly. Yeah. Oh, we can't do it that way because it does fall over. Holy hell. Well, that's sure the hell not going to work. Let's take that thing off of there. Anyway, this sprocket needs to come off. So, oh, crap. This sucks. Let's try to get this stupid thing off here. Sweet. No problem. Come right off. Easy. You know, even as a kid, I never got quite this far into a bicycle. I sure the hell took a lot of tires off and fixed them, and took a lot of chains and replaced them, but never did I ever take this whole assembly out. Probably because I didn't know how. And I didn't know how to just till now. So, oops. Now we're going to beat the sprocket out a little better. Let's see. There we are, recording. Dave, break the beat. Stupid. Ding goes the fun, ding goes the fun. Bang the sprocket. Yeah. I know what you're thinking. I'm stupid. Yeah, that don't work, but that is a hell of a lot better. Now, what do we want? It's a bent crank.
What are you doing with Caitlin?
I'm trying to fix it. I'm going fast.
Why can't I stay up here?
Because Daddy's working on something. Yeah, I've got 3 of the little monsters. One of my own 2 step kids. But I love them all. This thing was almost brand new when it got run over. That's going to be the problem right there. Yeah, it's right there. You see that? It's supposed to be at a 90-degree angle, not a whatever that is. But I've tried, and I don't think I'm going to succeed in bending this. Man, I'll go up to my buddies and see if you can put the heat on her, straighten her out. He has a torch. I don't have one yet. That's on one of my wish lists. If you really like me, you can buy me one. Yeah, right. Okay. One more try. Super strength. Piss on that. That's just not going to work. So, we're off to find somebody with a torch. Tripod just don't want to stay still. It needs a little weight under it. It'd probably be fine in the car. Or the 2002 Dodge Minivan. And here we are, ladies and gentlemen. The moment you've all been waiting for. What? Me not learn how to drive? Huh? Okay. And ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Dito Community Grocery. Yay! See you in a minute. Gotta get something to drink. Okay. Driving a little slow. Oh, it's just really old. And Dave, check it out. School bus. Looks just like yours. Hope I got it. Well, went by my buddy's house, and he's got the same cold I got, and he ain't feeling too well, so he didn't want to do it. But I want to get this damn thing fixed, so I created a special way to fix it. I got a 2-ton bottle jack, put the thing in my vise, and started cranking away. And I've just about got it to where it's at, where it needs to be. Should be a little bit past 90, but with metal, it's going to spring back a little bit. So we're going to give it a couple more pumps. Maybe just one. That ought to do it. Release the pressure. See what happens. Big difference. I had to beat that jack under there before. It wouldn't even go. And now, all straightened out. Sweet. There you have it. That's how we fixed it. Now it's just time to put it all back together, and probably going to have to get some new pedals for it. Make my little girl happy again. But see, the pedals are pretty well toast. So we'll find some pedals to put. Well, last but not least, I got my stepson's bike in here. Got a Mongoose stunt bike, whatever it is. Flat tire. So take our brand new donor bike that we got for free, and we're going to take the tube out of it, put on that one. Plus, the bike I just fixed ingeniously needs pedals, so there we go. So, hey, we're fixing to change her out. So, back in the drawer, it goes. What the hell is the drawer? It went in. Shit. There it goes. I'll leave this stuff out. I plan on doing something later. Are you still here? Are you still here? Go home. God. Go home. Bye. See you later, okay? Go find something to do. I'm trying to do something here, okay? Stop interrupting me. Bye. Ah, no, I was just kidding. Seriously, though. Thanks for watching.